I am Maran Kumar from ITRC Private Limited, working in APMS Kodmur. So today topic is how to protect the files from other persons. So here we have two types of files: already existing files and non-existing files. Non-existing in the sense of creating the files. So first of all, take the file vocational education. Here already one file is present. So take vocational education document. It is already existing file. So we want to make it protected from others by keeping the password. So first of all, we can open the file by clicking two times, mouse right click. Then it will open. Then we can go for file option. In that we can take the save as option. Then it automatically goes to desktop icon. You can choose a desktop icon. Here a dialog box opens which consists of tool option. So you can select the tool option. Then again a dialog box open which consists of so many options. So we can make the password. So we can go for general option. In that we can a dialog box opens which consists of a password. So here we can place password, any password which consists of numbers or the alphabets, whatever may be. And again password, same password. Then okay. So another a dialog box comes which consists of confirmation. So we can place the same password. Then okay. Re-enter again the password. Then okay. Then save. So then we can make the protected from giving the password. So if you want to open again vocational education file, it will ask the password. Then we can make password. Then okay. So re-enter the password. So the file will be open. So main use of this password protection is to not to use or not to edit the other persons, which is personal for us. So this is a existing how to make a password to the existing file. Existing file we can go for save as a option. For newly created files, first of all we can open the file. File in the sense it may be applicable to either Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So we can open the file Excel. It is a new Excel sheet. In that we can get the templates. So we can take the billing statement file, which is a Excel sheet. In that, first of all, Excel sheet we can prepare all the things which we want to make the file. Then we can go for file option. Then go for save option. In a previous version for existing file we can go for save as, but here we can go for save option. Then where we have to save the option or where we have to save the file, we can choose the desktop. Then here we can get the file name. So we want to give the file name as it is. If we want to same, then we can modify it. Statement. Then here we can go for to protect the file we want to make the password. Then we can go for tools option. Then again go for general option. Then we can make the password. For example, 12345 is the password. Then again same password can be typed in down also. Then okay, re-enter the password. So we can again re-enter the password, and again we want to enter the password. Then save. Then the file will, for newly created files, we can save the file, and at the same time we can give the passwords to the file. So here is the file. This is the Excel sheet statement file. Then we want to open. Double click on the file. So here the asking the password. So then we can make the password. Okay. So the file will be open. So from this we can understand that the file should be protected from others, and we should not give the passwords to the other files. Why? Because they are prepared by another person. This protecting the file, giving the password, is mainly because of not to edit the files. Then we can see the how to remove the passwords. Take for example vocational education. Open the file. Then we can type the password. Then okay. Okay. Here we want to remove the password. So we can go for same file option. Then go for save as option. Why? Because it is already a saved file. Then go for desktop. Then here we can go for tools option. Then general option. Here we remove the password. Then go for OK and save. This is how to remove the password. See once. So we can remove the vocational education password. So the file will be opened at a time. So the password will be removed. So here is the two topics which we can cover in this section. First one is how to make the password, and another one is how to remove the password. And password, how to create password is for two files. One is the existing file and another is the non-existing. Yeah, non-existing in the sense creating a file. When we make the file, we can make the same save and we can make the same at a time, either by giving the file name and password. So this is up to the how to make the password and remove the password. Thank you for watching this video.